Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly import all the sheets from an Excel workbook into Power BI without any hard coding or complex workarounds. If you've ever needed to analyze a massive Excel file with tons of tabs and weren't quite sure how to bring everything into Power BI efficiently, this tutorial is your answer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get every worksheet loaded and ready for your reports, saving you time and hassle for future projects. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you've got an Excel file with quite a few tabs, maybe covering sales, budgets, inventory, really anything. And maybe you've just opened Power BI and there's no data imported yet. No worries, bringing those sheets in is simpler than you might think. First, with Power BI open, look up at the ribbon for the Get Data button. That's your starting point for importing information. When you click it, you'll see a list of options for different data sources. Since we're working with Excel, go ahead and select Excel Workbook. This tells Power BI exactly what type of file you want to pull data from, just like telling a librarian which book you're searching for. Now click Connect. This part may take a few moments because Power BI scans your chosen file to find all the available sheets, sort of like flipping through the pages of a book and marking each chapter for you. And here, where the magic happens, a Navigator window will pop up showing you a list of all the tabs inside your Excel file. Each sheet will have its own checkbox. You'll usually see something like Sheet 1, Sales Data, Totals, whatever names you or your colleagues gave those tabs. If your workbook has a lot of sheets, don't worry. Power BI will list them all right here so you don't have to hunt for anything manually, and you definitely don't have to type in each sheet name by hand. That's the beauty of this approach, no hard coding, just point and click. Now all you have to do is check the boxes next to every sheet you want to bring into your project. If you want everything, use the Select All box at the top. It's a real time saver. It's a bit like collecting all the ingredients for a recipe before you start cooking. If you ever pause and wonder whether you should import a certain tab, remember, you can always remove or refresh individual sheets later, so it's okay to bring in more data up front. Once you've made your selection, it's time to hit that bright Load button. This tells Power BI to actually grab the data and bring it into your workspace. The loading process might take a little longer if your Excel file is large or packed with information. That's perfectly normal. I like to use this moment to stretch or check my coffee. You'll see progress indicators, and when it's done, all your tables, every worksheet, will be available in Power BI, ready for you to explore, visualize, and analyze. And that's all there is to it. No coding, no formulas, just a few clicks and you're set up for deep analysis on multiple datasets from your Excel file. This is a fantastic way to avoid manual errors and to make sure you're working with the latest data from all your reports. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button below. If you've got questions or run into any issues, drop a comment. I love hearing from you and I'll try to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tips and tutorials that'll make your data work easier and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.